Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. As it's the new year, I'm sure you've all set your own New Year's resolutions and you're trying to stick to them and you're trying to be positive. One of the ones that I have kind of outlined for myself, which I think is very achievable, is all around kind of self-care, self-worth, self-love, taking time out for myself, as well as drinking water and all that good stuff. You know I love skincare. I work for M&S and they've recently launched their own kind of beauty wellness box. This right here. So first of all, this is a £25 box with £85 worth of goodies within it. So I just thought we could do a bit of an unboxing, and I just can't wait to show you. It says on the front, it's winter skin drinking in a nourishing moisturiser. It's a cold dark night staying in by scented candlelight. It's a blissful night's sleep with a soothing spritz of pillow spray. It's a feeling. So this is called the wellness box, and then when you open it up, it has it's a feeling in there. Even when you open it, it smells amazing. Like you just get a whiff of like spa. That's how I can only describe it. There's a load of products in here, like honestly, so many products. So let's just dive right in. I'm going to go with the biggie first because one, I already have hand soap from the Apothecary range. This is called a Calm Apothecary, and this fragrance is lavender, sweet orange, hoe wood and cedar wood. It's a body wash and it looks like this, and I really love this packaging that M&S do. One, it just adds luxury to everything. This is 470ml. It's a very large bottle, and I think it would just last so long. And I really, one, I want to use it. I also want to put it in my guest bathroom just because I think it looks fancy, but it smells incredible. It smells very calming, and I think with lavender as well, it really helps you to sleep. So I need that. I don't sleep very well. I haven't slept very well since when I was pregnant because I had like pregnancy insomnia, and I just didn't sleep. And obviously everybody knows when you have a baby you don't sleep, and even now like I struggle. And if like RJ stirs, I'm up, and that's the problem. And then I struggle to get back to sleep, and then it's just an endless cycle of just, you know. So I'm hoping like having things like this will help me to have a smoother, more restful night. So there's that. I'm just gonna keep dipping in. Next thing is the is it L'Occitane cream foot cream? Foot cream. I have such dry heels on my feet. Like I don't know what it is. Like 1 minute like they're smooth, 2 seconds later crusty as hell. Like what is going on? I need foot cream, and this is in there, and it's necessary. Winter skin. I think I have winter skin clearly all year round because I think I need this all year round. But this is what is this, 30ml. I'm actually going to give this a whirl tonight because I feel like I need to. But there we are. Love that. We have the Apothecary Revive. This is the nourishing cleansing butter. With shea butter, lavender butter, jojoba oil and rose hip oil. It says cleanse and glow. Try and open it. Give it a smell. Oh, I didn't expect that. It's like a balm. I actually wasn't expecting it to be like it looks like a massive like tub of Vaseline. It smells nice. It smells fresh and clean. Oh, I like that. A luxurious butter soft cleansing balm that removes all makeup. Oh, it's a makeup remover. Lovely. Oh, I'll give that a whirl tonight. I thought it was like a body butter, and then that's why it surprised me. There you go. There's that one. There's Sleep and Replenish Sleep Cream. This is what that looks like. This is a 15ml, and it's vegetarian. It says apply small amounts onto your face and neck using small upward strokes every evening after cleansing. Oh, that's interesting. I like that a lot of this is to do with sleep, because I 100% need this in my life. Yeah, I love that. I've got the Emma. Oh, I love Emma Hardy. Like, so pricey her products are, but so worth it. Like, worth the investment. This is her Plump and Glow Hydrating Facial Mist. Anti-pollution. Helps to boost hydration and plumps up dehydrated skin and fine lines. I feel like this box is made for me. Like, what is going on? Yeah, so this is what this looks like. This is 30ml. Great handbag size, great travel size actually, especially on a plane. Like, you get so dehydrated on a plane, it might be quite nice just to I'm going to New York in April. This little beauty might be joining me if I haven't used it all by then. Oh, I love this. This is Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I love pillow spray. I've had the body wash, I've had the balms, I've had the literal pillow spray. It's so good. Next is the Octane. What is this one? Is it hands? Is it oh, hand and nail care. My hands are so dry. That's a really good size, isn't it? This is 75ml. But like, that will last you such a long time. I don't know about you, but this weather makes my skin, my hands so dry, and I'm constantly washing my hands anyway. I've got a little bit of an obsession about it, so I think this will do me some good. Also, not a bad handbag size. I know you can get smaller, kind of like size hand creams, which is good for your bag, but like, it's not bad. Like, it's not a bad size to just pop into like a beauty bag, etc. So that's really good. And then finally is a candle. This is the Neon Happiness Scented Candle, which is neroli, mimosa and lemon. Let's have a little whiff of this. Oh, it looks like office desk size. Look at that. How cute is that? Neon candles are beautiful, and I make candles, so I know a good quality candle. That's really nice. That's like bedside table worthy, I think. That's lovely. That's so relaxing. It just makes you feel like you're in a bubble bath with candles lit around you. Like, that's all I imagine when I'm smelling this. Love it. So that is it. That is the M&S Wellness Beauty Box. I think you can still get it, so I will link below where you can find it. 100% go and check it out. It's, I mean, as you can see from all of the products, highly worth it. I love it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.